everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Squishmallow Kong. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Squishmallow Kong, let's begin with the top of the head. So I'm going to start here and we're going to make a nice big line that's going to curve up and then down. So let's just start here and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then we'll bring it down here. Kind of almost like an egg shape a little bit. Next, we're going to curve this in. We're going to bring this down. And then we're just going to curve this right over to here. Now, let's make the eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for an eye right over here. I'm going to try to keep these about the same size. Now, right here, I want to make the mouth. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw kind of like an oval shape right here. It's going to look a little bit kind of like a cow or a pig for a minute. Next, I'm going to make a smile right inside of here. Then I'm going to make a little black dot here and then a little black dot here. Then I'm going to put a bump here for one of the teeth and then a bump right here. Now, right between the eyes, let's draw a little line that comes across. And then I'm going to curve a line right around here. And then I'm going to curve another line right around here. Now, for the ears, let's just go ahead and make a little half circle on each side for the ears of our Squishmallow Kong. Now for the arms, let's draw a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to curve this up here. And then we'll do the same thing here. Let's just go down, and then we're going to curve it up here. Next, let's bring this line right across. Then we're going to curve this line down, and we'll curve this line down too. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here. And then I'm going to put a few little lines on here for some details. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little zigzag line right across here. And then over here, I'm going to make just a line that curves across. I'll put another curve here. And then I'm going to make two lines that come right here. And then I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little lines. And this is going to be kind of like he has his glove on. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Squishmallow Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.